Hey, welcome to Time Saver. Thank you for clicking our video and giving us a chance. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment on who you think the loser of the challenge is going to be. Your choices are Zach, Steven, or Jake. And if you are right and you leave the right name as a comment, you have a chance to win a $20 gift card. Thank you. Enjoy.
Smells like dog food.
Like dog food? Yeah, he just ate it all. It's disgusting.
It smells like dog food.
Yeah, throw up. Hey, we got the Bean Boozled challenge. And in today's video, we're going to do it a little different. We got a cup named 1, numbered 1, number 2, number 3. We're going to go oldest and youngest, so this old man over here gets to go first. All of his gray hairs. That's how you know you go first, you know. So, he's going to shoot for whichever one he wants to get. Like, if he gets 2, he's going to spin the wheel twice, and he's going to have to take 2 jelly beans. And then so forth for each number. And Craig is going to put them out where we can't see the number. It's going to be facing this way. He's going to shuffle them around so we don't know. Let's see what number you got.
I knew that was
Number 3. Oh, what number did I get?
You got this one.
Oh, no!
This one.
I got
Me
2.
and Jake got number 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Toothpaste or berry blue?
I think that's just going to be hard to see. Alright,
Am I spinning my next one?
Let's go ahead and spin again.
Chocolate pudding, I think. Or canned dog food.
Well, if it's canned dog food.
Last one. Oh. Toasted marshmallow or stink bug? I think that's this one. Alright, so which one did I get first? Berry blue and toothpaste, right? Here we go.
What's the taste like?
Toothpaste.
God, this is
Is it good?
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Toothpaste really isn't that bad.
Did he do 5 chews?
I did more than 5.
We got a
Still
5
short.
chew limit. Yeah, you gotta chew it 5 times. If you spit it out, that's 1 strike. If you throw up, that's a strike. The person that has the most strikes at the end of the game loses.
Chocolate pudding and canned dog food.
Is that what this is?
No, you got toasted marshmallow or stink bug.
This stinks.
Yeah,
that's dog food.
What do you mean that stink bug that you got?
Whatever.
He's got.
Don't throw up. Stink bug's pretty bad.
So it's canned dog food.
That's pretty nasty. Oh man. Ugh.
Oh. Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh. Ugh.
Tell me what you got.
Alright, so I got barf or peach.
And I got toasted marshmallow or stink bug again.
Coconut or spoiled milk. Hopefully we get dog food again.
Oh, this one's stink bug.
Cheers, boys.
Toasted marshmallow. Oh yeah.
Coconut.
I can't tell. It probably tastes like it's so bad.
Is it barf? I mean, it's probably barf. Does it taste like peach?
Like
Face.
it just tastes like some burning garbage. It just tastes like some.
No. I really don't want 3 again.
5 minutes later.
Here we go.
Oh, there you go.
Because I got 1.
Oh, thank you.
That means good old Jake got 3.
Dang it.
Ready? First one, strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
That wasn't good.
Coconut or spoiled milk. That's all white.
Oh, wait. Then last one. That's another dead fish. Here we go. Guys. I got blueberry or toothpaste. Yes. Spinning again.
There we go. That was a good spin.
I think that's red. I
That's
think
birthday cake or dirty dishwater.
that's strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
I'm pretty sure you know.
Is it dead fish?
No, it doesn't taste like dead fish.
Banana smoothie?
It probably is. It tastes like bad banana smoothie, but
That's probably dead fish.
Which one did you get
Alright.
first? Tutti Frutti, the berry blue.
Is berry blue or toothpaste? Not
You've
bad.
got coconut or
coconut spoiled milk. Alright. Alright.
Toothpaste. Berry blue.
This is coconut.
Berry blue.
I can smell it.
What, the berry blue?
Yeah.
What, you mad? Cause
Yeah, 'cause I got toothpaste. I mean, toothpaste wasn't bad. But
So what's this one?
I want toothpaste now so I can get the dirty.
What did I get?
You got toasted marshmallow and stink bug again.
Again? Alright, so I got toasted marshmallow or stick.
I got birthday cake or dirty dishwater.
Hope it's dirty dishwater.
Dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
Oh! The stink bug again. It's so nasty. You smell it?
It tastes soap.
Did you smell it?
Mine was dirty dishwater. Get it out of my face. It's so bad. That one's horrible.
What, stink bug?
Yeah.
Oh, wait until you eat it. It's so disgusting.
Hopefully, if you get birthday cake or dirty dishwater, you already taste soap.
Ugh.
Dirty soap.
What kind of soap like Dawn?
It's disgusting, dude.
Ping pong. Ping pong time.
Let's go back right. One.
Yeah.
I got one.
Stevie got two.
Yeah!
I held it over here. Two.
Yeah!
Which means Jake got three.
Yeah!
So first one, stink bug or toasted marshmallow? Marshmallow. Get out of here.
It's marshmallow. Marshmallow's really good, isn't it?
I got back-to-back stink bugs and you get marshmallow?
Yeah, he got marshmallow.
Yeah, is that,
Marshmallow's really good.
how's that? What, you got marshmallow?
Yeah, I had marshmallow the first time too.
What
And then I got toasted marshmallows.
Crap. Alright, so I got juicy pear or booger. I used to eat my boogers back in the day. This should be easy.
Next one is buttered popcorn or rotten eggs.
What did you get?
I hope it's round eggs.
That's egg.
Nasty? Not really.
Smell it?
There's definitely a weird taste.
That was nice. Did you gag?
No.
Yeah, he did a little bit.
That's a weird. Well, that was juicy pear. That one was nice and easy and smooth. Now I got berry blue or toothpaste.
Berry blue and toothpaste.
Peach or barf.
Hopefully it's bar.
Cheers.
Oh, toothpaste again, but I needed it. The canned dog food taste was still in my mouth.
There, I got toothpaste.
Peach.
So we got Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
Is it bad?
I don't know if that's good or bad.
Does taste good, yeah. Peach was the same way. Peach or barf.
I don't know which one I got.
Pretty sure
You
you
probably got stinky
I
socks.
don't know.
Because until you get good flavor,
So,
you can't
I got-
compare.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug. Hopefully it ain't stink bug again.
Buttered popcorn or rotten eggs.
I'm getting sick again, stink bug.
You should get to brush your teeth.
Oh yeah, that tastes good.
I told you.
Ah, toasted marshmallow is so good.
I told you.
We got popcorn.
That's the big risk reward one. Either it's really good or it's really bad. That's
Toothpaste or berry blue.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
chocolate pudding or dog food.
The picture is better on that than me on that. I can see.
It's a dog food. I told you that was horrible. See?
I got toothpaste.
It's still not as bad as the other one. But it's bad.
I got Tutti Frutti. It was really good. You definitely didn't get Tutti Frutti. You must have got Stinky Socks because
Wait until you get stink bug.
Tutti Frutti was pretty tasty.
Brings back half the whole good
Oh, I don't want that one.
What is it?
Dog food or
Oh,
chocolate
Is
food.
that the one that's gonna make you throw up?
no.
Peach or barf.
Barf? Barf? Barf!
Yeah, it's barf.
Does it taste good?
Tastes like barf.
Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher?
I got chocolate pudding. It is not canned dog food. It's chocolate pudding.
Toothpaste or
Smell it.
berry
I don't want to
blast.
smell it.
Smell it.
Oh. Oh.
Was that 5?
I made sure.
Craig's like, I'm about to go and not witness you throw up. Don't throw up on my socks.
I either got the worst one or the best one. I either got stink bug or toasted marshmallow.
Tutti Frutti or stinky socks?
Oh no, it stinks. I don't want to eat it.
Why'd you smell it?
This is the worst one, man.
Why
Smells
would
like-
you do that?
Smells like burning garbage. Coconut or spoiled milk?
I'm not ready.
Steve's about to throw up.
Mm-mm. It's so nasty. Toothpaste or berry blue? Hopefully. I don't even care.
I can smell your breath.
It stings though.
Coconut or spoiled milk? You
Try
gonna
that
show
back,
yours?
bro. Hopefully this is toothpaste.
This is either juicy pear or booger.
Hope you get booger.
They got coconut again.
Now I got berry blue.
What about you? This tastes like a booger.
Was it slimy?
That doesn't look good.
If that was pear, that was really gross.
But we're gonna speed up the process a little bit, and we're gonna go cards. The card that you get dealt is the number you gotta do.
Deal me a card first, because I got 3.
You're going back to the oldest and youngest.
Alright, fine.
10.
You did this on purpose.
4. 3.
Gonna eat them all at once.
Are we eating them all at once? And you don't know what you got.
Yeah, there's no point in eating them all at once. But
Butter popcorn is that tastes nasty. You mix it together.
you can just eat them all together, because we already did it. That's a free pass for 10. Next one, we gotta eat them randomly at 1. I guess that one.
It's nasty together right now. It's disgusting.
Maybe I just got really lucky. Let me go grab you a bag.
One at a time.
It could be one at a time, or it could be Sting's choice.
Nah.
You hate me.
All right.
Try to chew. I don't want to chew. I taste stink bug. I don't want to chew it.
I got something nasty.
I got stink bug in my mouth. I don't want to chew it. Spit it out.
Come
So
on.
gross.
Don't throw up.
How does that dirty dishwasher overtake you?
Bean boozled. I have been bean boozled.
Smells like puppy breath.
It's probably on my breath, Jake's breath, Steve's breath. Probably on all three of ours right now. And it's just lingering. It's horrible. You need to
I
brush
swear,
your
none of
teeth.
these are chocolate pudding.
Either that or chocolate pudding sucks.
And it tastes like dog food.
Yeah. They gave us an entirely bad box. Stevie's done.
I'm done. I had enough.
I smell puppy breath.
You want to eat mine too?
No.
I'm gonna pull off these dudes. So that was Bean Boozled. This was your loser. Hey, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you left Zach's name in the comments, good job. You got it right. If you fast forward to the end of the video and cheated and saw that Zach was the loser and you still put his name in the comments, doesn't matter. You got it. Good job. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. I hope you have a good day. God bless you.